So one of the problems with this Dodge Ram second generation is the side mirrors. And when I'm driving, the mirror would fold back this way because the joint there is very loose and the wind would push it back. And so I wouldn't be able to see the side. And so I need to fix this joint here. In order for me to get access to tighten this clamp here, I'm going to have to take off the door panel. And there's 3 screws. This one right here, and there's 2 within this handle. Took the 3 screws out, and we'll remove this. Put the 3 screws in here. And then the next thing we've got to remove this. And there's like a wire clip in here that we have to remove, and there's a technique to doing it. So I'm going to get a screwdriver between the handle and the washer. I'm going to, I see how the wire clip is oriented. Looking for the edge of that wire. Oh, okay, I see it. I'm going to get a cloth, slip it in there, and then I'm going to catch the edge of one of the wires, catch the wire, and pull the wire out. So it's just a matter of catching that wire. Oh. It caught, and the wire flew into my cab here. Alright, it came out. Here's the washer, and the wire is gone. Let me retrieve the wire. I'm going to take this floor panel off now. This is held on by some clips, and I'm going to use a putty knife to find it. If you don't want to scratch it, then you've got to get something thin made out of plastic. Alright, so I'm going to come around here and pop the clips. And you can feel the clip right here. You can feel that clip. And pop it. Okay. Then I go along here to the next clip. There's some foam here we'll take out. And there's 3 10mm nuts that I need to loosen. In order to take the clamp off, I have 3 torque screws that I have to remove. This one here, here, and there's another one right there. And I use a number 15 torque screw. The 3 screws out, and now I have to take this plastic housing off also. And it takes a little bit of maneuvering. You've got to turn this, get around this turn here. So you've got to turn it like that, and it comes off. And then you have access to these torque screws right here. Feel how tight it is. Okay, so, but I want to kind of lube this too, so I'm going to use some silicone spray, because there is like a plastic liner type of thing. So there's 4 torque screws, as you can see, and like a 25 T25 torque screw. Seems like it fits pretty good. So we'll just tighten it up a little bit more here. I mounted the plastic housing back on with those torque screws, and I'm going to now mount the entire mirror assembly back onto the door here. The nuts back on the 10 millimeters. This rubber foam back in. In putting this door back on, all of these clips, I'm going to have to mount them on the panel first. I've mounted the clips on the panel. I've got to line up the pins. For the handle, we've got 2 screws in here. I'm going to put this clip on, and you can either put it on this way or you can put it on this way. I would tend to put it on this way. Oh, there, it just slipped in like that. Just takes a little bit of doing. And then you get your washer. You have this, it's in there now. And all you have to do is press this in. Okay, that's it. Now, I can feel it. It's fairly stiff. And I don't think it's going to move while I'm driving when the wind hits it.